Where are we going today?
Well, we're going to the first event by a car company to which I was invited to be flown out to. It's a public viewing of the Slate pickup truck. It's the Amazon backed electric truck. But I'm excited because they were willing to fly me out. This is the first company that's ever like, hey Miguel, we'll fly you out. Luckily I was in Detroit, so there was no flying out. I didn't get to experience that, maybe the next one. But I'm excited because I get to record the experience. It's focused on 3D printing, customizability. So I'm gonna try and record all the things that there's other makers there already that have been working with the truck. I'm really excited to see what they did with it. And then I also made a little desk organizer for this event. So I'm excited to showcase that as well. All right, we're in downtown Detroit. We're about to go into the Norwood. This is where the event's being held. I'm excited to see what they got going on. So let's go check it out. Tattoo, yeah, buddy. This is like the best summary of what Slate is. Yeah, you give us a canvas, what can we do with it? And so again, it's almost all fully magnetized. You can swap out the grills, the fog lights. Yeah, awesome. And I got to meet a lot of cool people. Ben, Joel Telling, I got to see Brian from Lofted Goods again, a bunch of others. I got a goodie bag, I got free snacks, and I got free dinner. And I got to see a really cool truck.